In this video, I'll show you how I paint Blood Angel Bloodstones. Hello everyone, and welcome to another brushstroke painting guide. So, as you may have seen on my Instagram and Facebook channels, I've just finished painting up this Blood Angel Space Marine, and I'll soon be posting videos here on how I painted the Marine and the base. So if you haven't already subscribed, then hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss them. But I've had quite a few people asking me specifically how I painted the Bloodstones for this Marine, so I thought it might be quite a good idea to create a short video and show you the steps in detail of how I painted those gemstones. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to base coat the whole of the gem with some black, in this case Abaddon Black from GW. And the key here is you want to apply the paint really smoothly, so thin this down quite a bit and apply it as multiple layers to build up a solid colour. Now we're going to paint in our first layer, and for this we're going to paint in the majority of the gem but leaving a small patch of black in the top left hand corner. And for this we're going to use Corn Red from GW. As before, I've thinned the paint with some water so that it flows easily from the brush and creates a nice smooth clean finish onto the gem. For the second layer, we're going to concentrate the paint just to the right edge and bottom right hand corner, following the curvature of the stone, and for this we're going to use Evil Sun's Scarlet. Just as before, I've thinned the paint with some water so that it flows cleanly and applies as a lovely smooth finish. Don't worry too much about having neat edges at this point, as we'll tidy all of that up at the end. For the final layer, we're going to add an edge highlight to the right and bottom corner of the gemstone using some Fire Dragon Bright from GW. Do take your time with this step and try and be as neat as you can. If you do make any mistakes though, just go back and neaten things up with some Evil Sun Scarlet. As a final finishing touch, we're going to highlight the gemstone with two small dots of white scar. All we need to do now is neaten up any rough edges, so for that I just applied some Null Oil all around the gem. And that's it, the Bloodstone's now finished. Really hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget, I'll be posting the videos for the Blood Angel and its base very soon, so if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on those. But in the meantime, check out my work in progress pictures on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.